Imagine a tiny spacecraft, smaller than a van, Voyager 1. Launched nearly 50 years ago, it was humanity's leap into the unknown, sent to explore Jupiter, Saturn, and beyond. Voyager became our first emissary to the stars, a message in a bottle cast into the cosmic ocean. It carries our hopes, music, and greetings, speeding away from home at 38,000 miles per hour. Now, it's over 15 billion miles from Earth, so distant that light takes over 22 hours to reach it. Voyager has crossed into true interstellar space, its power fading, its instruments battered. On June 21, 2025, we received what we believe is Voyager's final transmission, a last fragmented message. The cosmic ocean is stranger than we ever imagined. Even in silence, Voyager continues to speak to our curiosity. Voyager 1's Odyssey began on September 5, 1977, launched by a Titan 3E rocket from Cape Canaveral. It took advantage of a rare planetary alignment, using gravity assist to slingshot from Jupiter to Saturn. This cosmic billiards game made the mission possible, saving years of travel and fuel. At Jupiter, Voyager revealed swirling storms and active volcanoes on Io, proof that distant moons could be alive. It discovered Jupiter's faint rings and then moved on to Saturn, capturing iconic images of its shimmering rings and mysterious spokes. Voyager's close flyby of Titan revealed a thick, nitrogen-rich atmosphere, denser than Earth's. This encounter bent Voyager's path out of the solar system's plane, ending its chance to visit Uranus and Neptune. That task fell to its twin, Voyager 2. Voyager 1's new trajectory set it on course for the stars, a bittersweet trade, sacrificing more planetary encounters for a shot at interstellar space. For 4 decades, it sailed onward, a lonely sentinel faithfully reporting on the conditions of deep space. Its journey transformed our understanding of the outer solar system. Each discovery was a reminder of how much we have yet to learn. Voyager's path was shaped by both chance and choice. Its legacy is the courage to explore, even when the destination is unknown. The Grand Tour became a grander journey, one that continues to inspire. Voyager 1's story is the story of human curiosity, written across billions of miles. Attached to Voyager 1 is a golden record, a time capsule, a greeting to any distant civilization that might find it. The odds of discovery are slim, but we sent it anyway, as a gesture of hope. Curated by Carl Sagan's team, the record tells our story in images and sounds. It shows life on Earth, DNA, cities, people, and astronaut in space. It includes the sounds of wind, rain, animals, and music from Bach to rock and roll. Greetings in 55 languages begin with ancient Akkadian and end with a child's voice. Hello from the children of planet Earth. The cover is etched with a map, our address in the galaxy marked by pulsars. The golden record is more than a message to aliens, it's a message to ourselves. Even if it's never found, it stands as a testament to our optimism. It is hope, pressed into gold. For decades, Voyager 1 sent back data from the edge of the solar system, but in early 2025, its signals became erratic, garbled, like a distant phone call breaking up. NASA's engineers tried everything to restore contact, but on June 21st, the final message arrived, a short burst of data, then silence. After nearly 48 years, the line went dead. The world felt the loss, a chapter closing on our most distant explorer. But the last transmission was a puzzle. Instead of scientific readings, it was a jumble of engineering telemetry, a final health check, or so it seemed. As scientists pieced it together, they found a pattern, a repeating sequence not part of any known Voyager function. It was something new, something unexpected. The data hinted at an encounter. Voyager's last moments were not spent in quiet emptiness. The signal suggested the spacecraft had passed through something, or something had passed through it. The final whisper was not just a goodbye, but a warning. Voyager's last act was to deliver a mystery. The silence that followed was profound, but the questions it left behind were louder still. What happened at the edge of interstellar space? The answer may redefine our understanding of the cosmos. Voyager's final message is a riddle for the ages. Its journey ended, but its story is just beginning. The void is not as empty as we thought. Voyager's last whisper echoes across the stars. Voyager's final transmission stunned the scientific community. The data came from engineering sensors, temperature, voltage, orientation, not the usual science instruments. It showed a sudden, brief spike in temperature across the entire spacecraft. Simultaneously, the gyroscopes registered a tiny, unexpected jolt. The magnetometer recorded a bizarre, localized magnetic field, unlike anything from the sun or galaxy. It was as if Voyager had flown through an invisible cloud with its own magnetic signature. The laws of physics struggled to explain it. Embedded in the data was a repeating binary pattern, 1's and 0's that didn't match any Voyager software. MIT researchers decoded it, a mathematical representation of a complex geometric shape, one that shouldn't exist in nature. Was it a natural phenomenon, a quantum distortion, or something else? Some theorized Voyager encountered an artificial object, perhaps a probe from another civilization. The evidence is tantalizing, but inconclusive. The signal is a scientific enigma, challenging our understanding of space. Voyager's last message is a clue to a deeper reality. It's a reminder that the universe still holds secrets. The final data is both a warning and an invitation to explore further. Voyager's legacy is the mystery it leaves behind. Voyager's last message forces us to rethink interstellar space. We once thought it was empty, a quiet ocean for our probe to cross. Now we know it's filled with unknown structures and forces. These may be invisible hazards, currents, or reefs in the cosmic sea. If Voyager was nudged and heated, what dangers await future starships? The void is not passive. It's alive with phenomena we barely understand. The geometric pattern in the signal is unsettling, evidence of complexity beyond our physics. If natural, it means the universe is stranger than we imagined. If artificial, it hints at ancient, advanced civilizations. Voyager may have stumbled across something we were not meant to find. The universe is not empty, and we are not alone. We are out of our depth, facing a cosmos full of marvels and dangers. Voyager's warning is clear. The unknown is real, and it is waiting. The strangest part of Voyager's final message was the geometric pattern, a dynamic, multi-dimensional shape, folding in ways impossible in our world. It was a precise mathematical description, not random noise. Some scientists call this the ghost in the machine hypothesis. The idea, the phenomenon, didn't just nudge Voyager, it briefly used its systems to send a message. The probe became a conduit, relaying information it was never designed to handle. This suggests a process or intelligence that can interact with technology at a fundamental level. It communicated in pure mathematics, bypassing language and images. This is a sophistication far beyond our own. Was it a greeting, a warning, or just a scan? Perhaps we're misreading a simple interaction as profound communication. We're trying to understand a whisper from a ghost, in a language we barely know. The anomaly is a stark reminder. Our perspective is limited, and the universe owes us no explanations. Voyager's last data is a riddle echoing through the void. Receiving Voyager's final signal is deeply moving, a connection to a part of ourselves now unimaginably distant. For those who worked on the mission, it's like hearing the last words of a cherished friend. Voyager's silence leaves a void, but also a sense of triumph. Its story inspires a profound connection to our past and future. Launched in an era of bold ambition, it carries the hopes and music of a generation. Its final message adds awe, excitement, and a touch of fear. Voyager has shown us the cosmic ocean is deeper and stranger than we imagined. It fills us with humility. We are young, just taking our first steps into the cosmos. Voyager's legacy is not just data, but inspiration. It encourages new generations to dream and explore. The universe is a story still being written, and we are part of it. Voyager's echo will resonate for centuries, a call to adventure. Its journey challenges us to continue exploring. Voyager's mission is over, but its journey continues, drifting through the galaxy for millions of years. Its final transmission has changed our perspective and will shape future exploration. Interstellar space is active and dynamic. Future missions must be designed for the unknown. We need better technology, more robotic scouts, and new ways to detect cosmic hazards. Voyager's last message is vital intelligence, showing us the dragons on the map. It reinvigorates the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, urging us to look for new kinds of signals. Advanced civilizations may communicate in ways we can barely conceive. Our search must become broader and more imaginative. Voyager's legacy is a call to keep exploring. The universe is full of marvels and challenges. We stand on the shore of a vast ocean, faced with a choice: stay in the shallows or set sail for the stars. Voyager's final message is clear. The journey is dangerous, the destination unknown, but we must go. the adventure continues because curiosity is our greatest gift.